Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you are here today and that you are ready to spend a little bit of time with me today to get some things done. So this is going to be an extreme deep clean and organize with me that is all dedicated to my kitchen. So we are staying in the kitchen today and going absolutely nowhere else, but we are getting so much done. So if you are needing the cleaning motivation in your kitchen, maybe some organization motivation, that's what we are going to do. And so in order to be able to get deep cleaning and organizing in the kitchen, we first have to go ahead and clean up just the day-to-day messes. And so that's what we're doing right now. So I wanted to just pop on here and introduce myself in case you are new here. My name is Brianne and I am a Canadian mama to 2 little girls. I am married and I started my YouTube channel years and years and years ago. However, majority of my videos are unlisted as I actually originally started it for makeup tutorials and stuff like that to help support my direct sales business. And then as y'all know, things happen and phases of life and seasons change and all the things, and I had my 2 little girls and I wanted to switch over to more of the homemaking and cleaning lifestyle niche, and so that's what I did in May of last year, and I have been loving this journey over the last 9 months here, and I am really excited about what is to come. So if you like cleaning, lifestyle, and homemaking motivation, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and I would love to get to know you in the comments, so I would love if you would just introduce yourself and tell me where you are from. My goal with my channel is to inspire and encourage all of you other mamas out there. It doesn't matter what season you are in. I want you to know that I am here for you. You can always reach out to me over on Instagram as well. I love getting to know everybody and my community through my DMs. And so yeah, my goal is just to encourage you and inspire you and maybe help get you through a hard season in your life, as that is when I found YouTube, was when I was going through, you know, the big changes and becoming a mom and all of the things. And so I kind of want my platform to be that uplifting and positive community for other women going through what I went through.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody.
Hey guys, so I hope that you are enjoying the kitchen cleaning motivation. As you can see, that was just like some everyday tasks. Now we're gonna get into the organization. Let's go. So these are all of the baskets that I got from the dollar store that I'm going to be using in today's video. We are actually going to be organizing these drawers here, as I didn't really tackle them too much in my last kitchen organization video, which I will have linked in the description, but I wanted to go ahead and organize these as they have been driving me insane. Now I hope I got enough containers. If not, we're gonna have to go back to the store and maybe finish it another day, but we're gonna go ahead and start. So when I am organizing, I like to take everything out but work on one space at a time. And so I just empty this drawer and then I'm going to vacuum it out and get everything all clean before going ahead and putting everything back into the drawers. So that's kind of my method to my madness. Look at this insane before and after transformation. I am so happy with how this turned out.
The one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
So over here I have like our everyday spatulas and stuff like that. I have like our can opener and, you know, just kind of like all our openers and stuff, and then the scoops there. Then I have measuring cups here, measuring spoons and stuff there, and then our pizza cutter and apple cutter there. And then in the very back there, you can't really see, and the drawer doesn't really come out much farther. But those are just our extras that I don't use, but still would like in the drawer. Moving on to this drawer. this is as far as this drawer opens. It is not very user friendly. I don't even know, but we're gonna go ahead and like do something with it. I clean this utensil thing so much, you guys. It's insane how dirty it gets. I think when I'm cooking, I leave this drawer open like just a smudge and stuff just kind of gets in there, and it's kind of actually really disgusting. So I want to go ahead and just give that a good clean. So I did that off camera, and now I'm going ahead and just putting everything back into the organizers so that the utensil drawer is not all over the place. Alright, you guys, this towel drawer was giving me a little bit of a headache. I actually cut out a lot of footage because it was just making me angry and I couldn't seem to figure it out. So for me, organization is definitely not my strong suit. I enjoy organizing, but I don't enjoy the process of it. I get very overwhelmed very easily, and so I have to be in the right mental space in order to organize. And once I get the baskets and stuff, I get really excited about it, but then throughout the process when I am like decluttering and emptying everything, it really takes me some time to like not get overwhelmed. And so what I have found that works best for me is, again, just working in one drawer or one space at a time, rather than like emptying out the entire kitchen, seeing what I have and going with that. It just gets me way too overwhelmed. But I would love to know how you organize your home, if you like take everything out or if you work on one space at a time. Let me know in the comments.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so
Okay, so in the back here is all of my baking. So there's an extra icing container here. We have candles, and then my seasonal cookie cutters are there. This is all of my extra baking things. I don't know why. I have like a bajillion spatulas. Let me know if you guys do as well. And then in here is just kind of miscellaneous. I have extra funnels. I have these for when I'm like a cool mom and I make super fun, like, you know, I'll cut their cheese in like a flour, you know, stuff like that. This is from Pampered Chef, I think. Really cool tool. And then I have my roller over here, and then our barbecue supplies, which don't fit out anywhere else. So that's that drawer. All right, everybody, it feels so good to get that organization done in my kitchen drawers. You have no idea. I hope that it gave you some motivation, and if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to cleaning.
You go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble.
All right, so I know that this floor looks clean, as you know, it's kind of really hard to see what I'm vacuuming here. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you the floor, a little close-up of it and what I was actually vacuuming up. Like, look at this, you guys. It's so bad. So I want you to know I'm not just like vacuuming again. Like, I just like to show you the real life messes, and I wanted to show you that close up of my floor so that you could see what I was vacuuming.
done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
Alright, so as you can see, we've moved on to washing the cupboards and stuff, and so I am just using the Go Clean Co method as always, which they do have an Instagram account, so you can go and look them up. Again, their account is Go Clean Co, and they have some amazing cleaning tips that I've shared here on my channel numerous times. I love following them. They have really great advice and tips, as I had mentioned, and so yeah, just a really great account to follow.
I'd always dare it to go even farther, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's so, so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
I also wanted to go ahead and just pull this out, as look how dirty it was under here. And you can see on our backsplash there's just like some spots and stuff, so that's kind of what I was cleaning. Again, just using that Go Clean Co method. It is absolutely amazing and good for so many surfaces. And make sure that you stay tuned just a little bit longer, as I will be sharing with you guys some amazing before and after transformations using the new Dawn Power Wash. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the new Dawn Power Wash and what your favorite scent is.
Epiphany rising. Got a lot wrong, you see bright as lightning. Already memories, now I just don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feelings like ooh.
So I also just wanted to go ahead and make sure that I got like the handles and everything, and I also washed the fridge. And then I'm moving on and wiping our counters using our Tiber River spray. I know I had wiped them down just with like soap and water a little bit earlier, but I wanted to go ahead and just use this. I love this natural cleaner. It is really, really great. It's a multi-surface spray, and you just dilute it with water and it goes a long way.
Me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance.
So I also wanted to go ahead and give my garbage can a nice good clean. So I'm just using this stainless steel appliance cleaner, and I love this stuff, you guys. It is so good. It shines your stainless steel appliances. Back in our other house, we had all stainless steel appliances, and I use this on everything. Now I'm going ahead and using our Dawn Power Wash. I finally found it and I'm so excited about it. I'm using the citrus scent and it smells okay. I would prefer the fresh scent, to be honest. I haven't tried the fresh scent, but the citrus scent isn't my favorite. But I wanted to share this before and after with you using the Dawn Power Wash dish soap. It was incredible. Then I went ahead and used it on my dog's dish and it worked a little bit, but I ended up soaking it in vinegar and water. And then that's what got all of that off. And then I'm just tackling my sink. I have shared this before, but I feel like there is nothing better to end the video than with a nice clean sink. I love using this comment. I shared a little reel on my Instagram as well using it. I would love to know in the comments what you use in your sink to wash it. I know you can also use the Dawn Power Wash dish soap too, but I just love this. My sink really needed a good clean, and so I decided to use that. And look at the after.
I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you.
All right, everybody, my kitchen is clean, and I hope that this gave you tons of cleaning motivation. I mean, that was a pretty deep clean here. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube community, and make sure that you turn on the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. I have tons of amazing and motivational content coming at you guys, and so I'm really excited about what's to come here on my channel, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.